Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. In this video, I will show you that how does optical circuit switch or OCS network work by introducing storage into optical circuit switch network and storing delay tolerant request until of peak hours. The network can have better performance since scheduling a data transfer in SNF network has to deal with the spatial and temporal arrangement of the request. It is much more complicated than the routing alone problem. In our prior research, we proposed TSMLG, a holistic approach to solve this problem, but the computational and spatial complexity of the approach is high, limiting its use in large-scale network. In this paper, we propose a decoupled solution, a specific algorithm for both sub-problems. The solutions can reduce spatial and computational complexity of big O of N to L2 or big O of NL with marginal sacrifice on network performance, in which N and L are respectively the number of network nodes and state charges in the network. Simulation results show that in the moderation size network in frequent state changes, the computing time of request scheduling can be reduced by 600 times. We conclude that the decoupled SNF scheduling has the potential of analyzing SNF in large network with frequent state changes. In this video, you can see here the OCS algorithm work directly with the cloud node assortment. It's a database which is transferring the data or which is collecting the data from the transitional information state. The information has given from the owner and it send it to the information expand, no responsive or the data transfer system to the user. So hereby you can see the responsive data when the database is responding or the user is approaching for the data, the owner or the system, the algorithm will take the verified information from the user and check it in the algorithm. If the data is matched, then it will respond with the data. If it will not match, then it will not respond. So this is the system of OCS algorithm. So hereby the store and forward mechanism and relation solution. The SNF mechanism is well investigated and applied since it may be mitigate peak hour bandwidth contention between bulk data flows and short flows as well as between bulk data flows. So here is the reference is like time shift circuit switching to shift the data transfer on a link to time when bandwidth was available by performing SNF. In the author developed analytical model for transferring bulk data via SNF and showed the huge potential of storage for transferring multi-terabyte. Like hereby, hundreds of million data will be transferred. So now come to the decoupling, routing and storage. Integration of spatial and temporal scheduling makes the complexity of SNF a product of those of the two sub-problems. Decoupling converts SNF into request routing and storage scheduling. By solving them respectively, complexity of the solution will change from a product to a sum of two sub-problems. As a result, we propose to decouple the problem into multiple sub-problems, which has no influence on intuitiveness of representation by SNF solution, but can make computations sense less complex. So now come to the network performance. Although decoupling makes it impossible for SNF solution to achieve global optimality, the performance of OCS network doesn't necessarily decrease after decoupling, in this paper, we mainly discuss two aspects of network performance: request blocking rate and the link utilization rate. That is, one state is acceptable and another state is non-acceptable. With the static planning, link utilization mainly depends on the fixed routes it arranges. If most requests are matched between few source and destination node pairs, or predetermined routes have mass overlap. So hereby you can see or understand. So make it more understandable, like if you are logging inside the email, if you have given or sometimes you are forget about your password, so you need to use the press button of forget password. So that time the email server will ask you for your mobile number, that is predefined data information for your personal, like date of birth, your mobile number or your recovery mail. They will ask. If you give them the correct data like mobile number or the sended code, so then only you can enter or renew the password or reset the password. Otherwise they will make it end state. So these things is properly computed by the OCS algorithm. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and goodbye for now. Hope you understand it.